What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review, anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the cheapest wireless lava mic, whatever you want to call it. But this is so cheap, I don't even know what brand it is. Stay tuned. Alright, so me being in a budget and I wanted something wireless mic that I could set myself. I don't have to have a cord or wire, nothing like that. So I came along with this wireless lava mic, and it's a Type C. And the crazy thing about it is they're using an iPhone logo for Type C. So I don't know if they're looking ahead of time. They already know what's going on. But let's unbox it and let's see what we get inside. I paid less than $20 for this, by the way. Less than $20. So okay, so I guess we get the main one. This is the one that you put in your chest and you talk to it. And then we have the Type C one. Okay. And then we get here. I mean, packaging is for 20 bucks. You really can't complain. Then you get here, let's see what we got. We got the dual Type C. Nope, just one. Okay. And let's see the paperwork. Let's see what it says. So it's giving you an instruction, how to connect it, blah, 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 blah. So what we're going to do is, we're going to charge these two because I know they're going to be dead. So we're going to charge them and we're going to do the testing. What I'm going to do is use my S22 Ultra, the mic that you're listening to now. And then I'm going to plug this bad boy in and let's see if it's any good. And then we're going to do a vlog type of style and let's see if it picks up. And I'm going to walk a little further back. Let's see how good it is. Okay, so I got it all fully charged. Pretty simple. And the dope thing about this is that the receiver doesn't need to be charged. So here's the Type C on this side. The receiver doesn't need to be charged. It's going to use the same power from the S22 Ultra. So if the S22 Ultra is low on battery, all you got to do is plug the Type C and it will just bypass it and you get fully charged. So the first thing we need to do is plug this bad boy in the Type C. There you go. And I think we should be good. So it's recording from the mic. I'm not sure how the quality is. I will know when I edit. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go outside. I'm going to have a measuring tape and I'm going to see how far you could do it before it starts cutting off. All right, so let's go outside. So we outside, and if you can see, there's blocks of cement separating line. Each line equals about 4 feet. So right now I'm about 4 feet away. Hope it don't cut off. I'm about 8 feet. Doesn't seem that bad. 12 feet. I hope it doesn't cut off. I will know when I edit it, but let's keep it going. I use the tape measure to make sure. So 12 feet. I'm at about 16 feet. Hope it still works. This is 20 feet. 24 feet. Let's see. About 28 feet. I might be pushing it now, but hopefully it works. I am 32 feet. I hope it still works. I'm gonna go edit this video real quick, and I hope y'all still hear me. If it's choppy, you're gonna hear the birds chirping. I'm not gonna do nothing to the audio. I'm just gonna leave it as is. So
let's go and edit this bad boy and let's see if it really works.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think it's pretty good for $20 or less than $20. I'm gonna leave a link down below, but for that price, you really can't complain. You seen that I went 32 feet. I could have went further, but I didn't want to push it. So, and I think that's a good enough distance to know whatever you're gonna do. I don't think I'm ever gonna go that far. I'll probably do like about here like 5, 10, maybe 10 feet. But there are some cons. You just can't have it doing that. Make sure that it's nice and flat and you're not moving too much. I heard a little bit of the zzz, but I could edit it later on. I'm just gonna keep it nice and raw. I could edit that later on, no problem. But for the price, and I went for a gamble, and I'm most likely it's gonna be under $20. But I'm gonna leave a link down below because I know it was like 20 and then 25 and then some crazy percentage, or 20 and some crazy percentage off. I really can't complain about it. For the cheapest wireless lav mic, I mean, there are other mics that you're gonna have to pay 80, 90, maybe 100. I've seen even 200. I went the cheaper route. So my experience, I really can't complain about it. Hopefully when you do get it, it's the same thing as me. You're gonna have to edit some of the noises, background, and the humming, but that's just a learning curve. I know that I can't have it rubbing into my clothing or nothing like that, so I'm gonna figure something out so it could be more sturdy, or just get another foam thing. Who knows? But for under $20, uh, basically the brand, I don't even know what kind of brand, but I am gonna leave a link, exactly the same item that I bought for the price. Sometimes you look at items like that and you be like, can't be that good, it's that cheap, but sometimes it does the job. How long it will last working, that's another story, but I am gonna be using it. I'm gonna also try it out in other different phones and camera, all that, to see the experience on it. But for my I can't even explain how good this is for the price. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Let me know in the comment below. Are you getting it? You was thinking about getting it, or you seen something similar to that, something similar to this wireless lava mic, and you planning to pull the trigger? Let me know which one. Let's have a conversation going. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.